In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how you can customize headers and footers of exams, whether they are exported, emailed, or printed. So first off, what you want to do is from the home screen, click on the Settings button. Next, you want to click on Email Export Print in the upper left corner. And that'll bring up the header and footer option settings. So by default, our header text is SOTA Image Export. A lot of times I'll see offices kind of customize the header and customize the footer, and let's go ahead and try doing that. So in the header option, you can put the practice name, and then in the 2 rows below that, you can put your address. So we'll say address line 1, address line 2. And for the footer, you can put your name. So we'll put doctor name. And then maybe you want to add your phone number as well as email. Now, what you see here are just some options. Obviously, you can customize these in any way that you want, meaning you might not want to put your address in the header, or you might not even want to have a footer. So you can definitely customize it to how you see fit and what best stylizes your practice. These options in the top, you're going to see export, email, and print options, and basically if you checkbox the items next to that, that's going to be where you're going to see these headers and footers be applied. So currently it's only going to be applied to exported exams, emailed exams, and then when you print it, it's going to be on both single image prints as well as full exam prints. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Done here, click on Save, and now I'll show you exactly how it's stylized. So over on the left-hand side, we have our default layout where it just says SOTA Image Export. And over on the right-hand side, we have a exam that I've exported, and it'll display the practice name up at the top, the address for that practice, and then for the footer, it'll have the doctor's name, phone number, and email address. Thank you so much.